Hi, it's Liz Snedden. Let's have a look at finding the perimeter of compound shapes. So here's one example. And so the first thing I notice is that not all of the sides have lengths and measurements on them. So that tells me I need to first of all work out what those things are. So I'm going to have a look first at either the horizontal or the vertical. And let's start with the vertical lengths. So for example, I've got one length here, this side bit here, which we're told that piece there is 8 centimeters, and I've got this wall down here which I'm told that is 2 centimeters long. So if I map that, then I can say, well, the length of this wall down here on the very left, that wall has to be the same total length as both of those pieces put together. So that tells me that if one side's 8 and 2 centimeters, then together that's got to add up to 10 centimeters. So I know that this wall there is 10 centimeters long. Now I want to do the same reasoning with the other two sides. So let me change to a different colour highlighter. So I now know the bit across the top here is 10 centimeters. The bit along here, this bit of wall here, is 5 centimeters. So if I like this horizontal total wall here, that's got to be the same size as those two bits together. So therefore, if they're 10 and 5 centimeters, then that's got to add up to 15 centimeters. So I know that this side must be 15 centimeters. So now I've got all of my side lengths. Now I can add them together. So P for perimeter, and I'm going to start in this top corner and I'm going to walk around each side length and I'm going to add all those lengths together. So I'm going to get 10 plus 5 plus 2 plus 15 plus 10, and that's going to add up, plus 8, sorry I missed the side 8 there, that's going to add up to 50 centimeters. So there's our perimeter. If I now look at this example here, so it's a little bit more complicated. The first thing I notice is I've got these lines showing on the walls, and so those lines, these ones here, they tell me that these sides are all the same length. So once I've worked out one of those, I know what the other sides are, and luckily I do know one of them. One of them is side length 1 meter. So I'm going to be able to just put onto the other sides that have that same dash on them. I can say, right, this is 1 meter, this side's 1 meter, this side is 1 meter, and this side is 1 meter. So I've got all of those. Now I've got still a couple of side lengths missing that I haven't figured out yet. So I'm going to change my highlighter to, let's go for a green. And what I'm going to look at now is I'm going to look this horizontal plus this horizontal plus this horizontal plus this horizontal. They are all going to add up to be the same as this horizontal along here. So I know they've all got to add up to 10. I know that this side is 1 meter, this side is 6 meters, and this side is 1 meter. So that's 1 plus 1 is 2, and 6 is 8. So that tells me the other little piece that hasn't got a number on it yet, that must be 8 meters. So I'm going to put 8 meters, sorry, not 8 meters, 2 meters on that side. So that's got to add up to 10. Now I'm going to do the same. I've got another wall which I don't have a number on. So let me go to, say, purple colour. I know this wall, highlighter please, and there. So I know that this wall down here is 4 meters long, and I know this wall here is 1 meter, and then this wall there has got to add up to, those two add up to 4 meters. So if one bit is 1 meter, the other bit must be 3 meters. because 1 plus 3 has to add up to 4. So now that I've got that, now I can work out my perimeter. So I'm going to start in this top corner and I'm going to walk around. So I go across 2 meters, down 1 meter, across 1 meter, up 1 meter, across 6 meters, down 1 meter, across 1 meter, down 3 meters, across 10 meters, and up 4 meters. And that gets me back to where I started. So that's my total distance around the whole shape. Then that is, if I add that all up, gives me a total distance of 30 meters. So that's my perimeter for that shape. Thanks very much for watching.